Back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to reopen any snap just open in your Snapchat once you just receive it. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, when I open my Snapchat, you can see I got a snap. When I just open it, you can see it will be like this, and I cannot open it again. But there's a way about how to reopen this snap. It's very easy. Press and then go use the reply. Once you tap on the reply, you can see your snap will be refreshed and you can tap to view it. So let's go ahead to check it. You can see we got that back. So this is all about how to reopen any snap just received on your Snapchat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.